What's happening, guys? Most Super Dwarf 199 here. Create another walkthrough. So yeah, let's do this. Let's just get our healing on. Alright, done with that. So, let's go get out of here. Someone got drunk. So do I go through here? Oh, cool. A potion. Oh crap. What the? A Mankey. Okay, I'm not gonna let this one get away. Let's do this. Come on, Charizard. Let's do this right. Ooh, yeah. See you, man. Oh crap. Oh, I don't have any Pokeballs, so I can't catch anybody. Messed up. Went the wrong way. What? Oh, god dang it. Messed up again. Oh crap. Not another fight with another Mankey. Mankey again. Oh, yes, sweet. Man, I wish I could run. Now I go. Success. So I have to go fight a gym leader first before I can do anything? Wow. That was a waste of time. Fighting those Mankeys off for nothing. Stupid cop. Took the game and everything. Why can't you just let it slide? Oh, crap. Oh, so here's where I go. So I gotta go get this to Miss Professor Oak. Oh, god dang. You know, so I can still have time. I'm just gonna cut through the part to like, the Professor Oak. So yeah. Never mind, I shouldn't do that. Because then they'll just... I don't know. God dang it. I'm gonna fight my Pidgey. Okay, that was easy. I just one-shotted that Pidgey. And that was it. With the Ember. Back to his lab. Hooray! He doesn't like his lab. Here you go. Oh, Red, how is my Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing. Oh, yes, delivering for the win. Like a boss. Gramps! Yeah, what was you coming for? Oh wow, there now our Pokédex already. I think we just get to the chase and freaking give us what we need. Oh, 5 Pokeballs. Finally, got my balls. Oh yeah, you wanna know where the map is? Well, I know where the map is. Try taking it from your little sister. There we go. Hey, buddy, can I have the map? Grandpa asked to run. Oh yeah, map for the win. Okay, now I can be on my way. Gary's such a douche. Oh, God. No. That's a Charizard. Let's take him out. The Ember. That was easy. I want to find out how to do those, like, you know how those walkthrough things? Like, you know how, like, they, make the Pokemon on the side? So, like, I don't know how to do that. I also want to do that for Red. Let me see if I can do that. These walkthroughs. Okay, watch. One shot. Bam! TKO! A critical hit. But, dang it! I'm trying to talk to this guy. Oh. What's a bird doing on the floor anyways? Like, seriously? Someone just drop it on the freaking grass? God. Man, I just want to talk to this one dude right there. Hey. That's so stupid. I thought he was going to give me a potion. Because everyone else does when I play Tricker. God, dang it. Another Pidgey. Another... God. What's the point of having these guys? No one's gonna want to catch him because you can easily one-shot him. Woo, level 9, baby. Hail to the king, baby. Now can I go through? Mind if I go through my wise man? Oh god, not. Oh. Here, what's this red box you have? Oh, you're working on your Pokédex. Then let me give you a word of advice. Oh, I need a word of wisdom. You want that one? Let's do this. What the? Oh god. Oops. Alright, so this is my walkthrough, so yeah. Peace.